Do you want to know how to get live wallpapers like these? Then stick around and I'll show you. So the first step to get live wallpapers like this is to download this app called Steam. Steam is like an app store for your PC. You can download basically any game and any software that you may need. So once you have Steam downloaded, if you're not already at the store tab, click the store tab in the top left. Then go over to the search bar and type in Wallpaper Engine. Click the first thing that pops up. This is a software that is $3.99, very cheap for live wallpapers. You have live wallpapers that are very cool, and you can even customize your own. If you are able to purchase this, then you will want to add it to your cart and pay with whatever payment method you are comfortable with. Once you purchase, you should be able to download it to your PC immediately. Once it is downloaded, you should have this little arrow icon right here, and once you click it, click the little monitor with the settings gear inside. I don't have the arrow on this monitor because I have two monitors, and my main monitor is on the left, which I'm recording with, and Steam is on that. So I'm recording my second monitor, which I don't have the little arrow. Once you click the little arrow and you click the monitor with the gear inside, you're going to want to click Change Wallpaper. This should open up a wallpaper engine, and you can, if you have two monitors, you can select which monitor you want to change. For now, I'll click the second monitor, obviously, so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And you have many options. These are the ones that I've installed and I've favorited, but you most likely won't have any. So to find some, you can go to Discover, and there's many options. If you click Workshop, they have like a filter, so you can filter to whichever ones you like. I have like more gaming and technology vehicles, but it's all personal preference. Once you find one that you like, so for example, I'll pick this one. Once you find which one you like, scroll down, and you can choose the settings that you would like. And so position, that just changes like where it is in the background. So when I move this, you see how it moves in the background? That just like, you can choose how you want to see the wallpaper. And playback rate, that changes like the things that are moving on the screen. So if I increase this, you can see little dots in the background are moving a lot quicker. But if I decrease it, they move very slow. It's pretty easy. But once you're done, you can just click OK, and it should change your wallpaper. There are also wallpapers like this one, where you can use your mouse and you can change the things in the background. So for this one is called Fluids, and this doesn't have any options because the options are within the wallpaper. So I'll click OK, and so this can use your mouse to move it all around. It's very cool. And these iterations, if you increase that, it just makes it more like separated or more together, and the lower the iterations, it makes it farther apart. It's very cool. So one more for today, I will click the Internet Explorer has encountered a problem background. It's pretty funny background actually. Scheme to color for these wallpapers, it really doesn't matter because it doesn't change anything. So I wouldn't worry about that. So for this one, I'll click OK again, and this one, it just follows your mouse. So if you want errors all over your screen, then I suggest you pick this wallpaper. That's it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please drop a like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. If you cannot afford Wallpaper Engine, I will try to find a free way to get live wallpapers, but there may not be as many options. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.